In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money on Whop clipping. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or start a new side hustle, Whop offers a straightforward way to get involved in clipping and earning rewards. So let's dive right into it and guide you through the process. First, you'll want to head over to the Whop website. Once you're there, make your way to the home feed. This is your starting point where you'll get an overview of everything Whop has to offer. From the home feed, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu with various options. Click on the Discover tab. This is where you can explore different opportunities available on the platform. Next, you'll want to click on the Clipping section. This is the heart of where you'll find campaigns that you can join. The Clipping section is dedicated to video content that brands and creators are looking to promote, and it's your chance to get involved by selecting one of these campaigns. Once you've clicked into Clipping, browse through the available campaigns and select one that piques your interest. Maybe it's a brand you're passionate about or a creator whose work you admire. Selecting the right campaign is crucial, as it will determine the content you'll be working with. After you've chosen a campaign, the next step is to join it. Look for the Join Campaign button and give it a click. This action signs you up to start creating content for that specific campaign. Now that you're officially part of the campaign, it's time to open your campaign dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your activities related to the campaign. Navigate to your campaign by clicking the appropriate link, which will take you to your personalized dashboard. Inside your dashboard, you'll find a section labeled Content Rewards. Click on it to see the different rewards offered for the content you create. This is where you can track the potential earnings for your efforts. Next, click on the Clipping option within the Content Rewards section. This area details what kinds of clips are needed and any specific requirements you need to fulfill to qualify for rewards. Finally, when you have your video ready, click on Submit Video. Keep in mind that your video will need to meet certain criteria and be approved by a moderator. Once you've satisfied all the requirements and your video gets the green light, you can expect a payout. This step is crucial, as meeting the guidelines ensures you get rewarded for your hard work. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can start making money through Whop clipping. Remember to choose campaigns wisely, adhere to content guidelines, and keep an eye on your rewards. Happy clipping!